Welcome to Mission Bay Condos, one of my favorite complexes in Bay Park, San Diego, a stone's throw from Mission Bay, offering the quintessential San Diego lifestyle. The community is a walking distance from Bay Park Village, where you can enjoy restaurants, coffee, and more. Mission Bay Condos is wonderfully private, offers a nice pool, spa, and barbecue area, and the condo itself is turnkey and polished and ready for its new owners. Take a look. If you have any questions or would like a private tour of this condo, contact me anytime.